So today I'm going to make rice coffee. So only we need is just scoop from your hand, see? Just like that. Okay. Then we're going to brown this rice. And then we add water. That is really it. So that's our rice there now, see? You can smell the scent of the rice. Okay, we need to wait another more brown. Because we don't want boiling. So we want all in the same color. So wait till a bit dark, really dark brown. You can smell the aroma now. You can smell the nice smell in it. I used to have this when I'm young with my grandmother before. So we always have this rice every morning, rice coffee. So I just remember that I says I might try to do it to show for my kids now. The coffee can be a rice. So that's there. Okay, it's nice brown now. So we wait for another more because see, you can see some of those is very brown there. So if you can see the rice is all brown now, dark brown yan now. So we're going to add water. We're going to add 3 cups of water. So I have 2 cups of water here. Okay, just pour into it. Okay, so we add another 1 cup. So there's the 1 cup. So all 3 cups together. So we let this boil until the color it's become brown color or a coffee color. Ayan. So that's already boiling for 20 minutes. So that is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, so that's our coffee, rice coffee is ready. Okay, so we're going to pour the coffee here. Okay, so another one over here. So you can add sugar if you want to, you know. That's our coffee. So I like drinking this without milk, but it's up to your taste. You can have a milk as well if you want to. Ayan. There. Cheers. Cheers.